In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make all of your Facebook posts private almost in couple of clicks. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to the Facebook. This method, by the way, works on an iPhone and on an Android as well. And first off we need to tap right here at our profile picture to head over to our Facebook profile. After that, we need to tap at these three dots, and that's where we can easily find activity log. Once we get into activity log, first off we need to tap at your activity across Facebook to expand it. Down below here we can easily find posts. And then we need to tap at your posts, check-ins, photos and videos. It will show us all the posts for the particular account, and in here we can select several posts, or we can tap right here at all to select all of them. Then tap at three dots, tap at change audience, and that's where we can change the audience for the selected posts. We can set it to public, friends, or only me. Only me means that all the posts will be visible just for you. All the selected posts, I mean. We can select it and then tap at change. After a couple of seconds, all the posts you've selected will be hidden from anyone except you. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.